Hello, my name is Mackenzie Potter, and this summer I worked as a retail management/visual merchandising intern for Chesapeake Bay Outfitters. With this internship, my main job was just to be a sales associate, as well as take in and receive any orders, and then help with visual merchandising just around the store. Here are some clips of visual merchandising projects. My favorite part about this internship was selecting new merchandise for future orders, as well as re-merchandising the store to add my own creativity to it. The three biggest things I learned is 1, hire the right people and keep them by respecting them and their time. Number 2 is have merchandise of all price points when living in a tourist town. And number 3 is that the first markdown is most important to clear out the unwanted inventory without taking a hit to profit. Lastly, the biggest piece of advice I can give to future interns is 1, never downplay your knowledge because you're afraid of criticism. And number 2, take the big internship even if it makes you nervous.